In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up MACD on ThinkorSwim. So the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a powerful momentum indicator that helps traders identify trends, reversal, and entry or exit points. And to add the MACD to your ThinkorSwim chart, just simply open the ThinkorSwim and log in your credentials, and then go to the chart sections on the left side, or left navigation bar, and then select the stock or asset you want to analyze. And in here, so as you can see, this is the charts. So click the studies at the top right corner, and then in the drop down menu, select the edit studies and then type MACD in the search bar. So click on MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and press add selected, and then click OK to apply it to your chart. So some tips that I can share is the default settings are 12, 26, and 9, but you can customize them. So now to customize MACD settings, to adjust the MACD settings, open the studies menu again, and then click edit studies, and then click the settings icon next to MACD, and then modify the parameters. So you can choose the fast length and slow length, and then the MACD length, and then after that click OK and then apply. So the popular custom settings are 9, 21, and 9. So this is the faster signals for short-term brackers or traders, and then 5, 35, and 5 for a smoother signals for long-term trends. Now let's talk about how to read the MACD indicators. So to let you all know, MACD line, or the blue, is the crossing above signal line, and the orange is the bullish signal, or the buy. And then for the MACD line crossing below signal line is the bearish signal, is the sell, and then the MACD above zero is uptrend confirmation, and then the MACD below zero is the downtrend confirmation. And that's it. That's how to set up a MACD on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.